Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by that 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with that nice cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, mud flaps on the rear, and we do get blind spot detection. We do get remote start with this vehicle as well. And moving to the front, we get a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage, hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down. 12-volt outlet, you got little hooks, tie downs here. Then you get storage with your spare tire as well, and you can collapse a row if you need additional storage. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We've got this nice black cloth interior, you got floor mats, carpeted interior, you can adjust the seats as well as collapsing them. Plenty of door space, you got rear vents, USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 29,650 kilometers. We do have this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer. We got My View, trip and feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, park and brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, more storage here with a 12-volt. We're going to click into our drive modes real quick, which we do get normal, eco, sport, and slippery. We do get that leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage, dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hazards, you got your media controls, storage below. And looking at the main screen here, you have your audio, compass and phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your normal Bluetooth, AM, FM, Sirius XM. You got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, which is just mostly your basic phone settings or vehicle settings, and you got your features just right here. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE62599A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.